Salutations and greetings from Core Knowledge Foundation. I'm Dan Frank, the Director of STEM Curricula, and today we're going to talk about the student reader and the concept of science literacy, which is part of the 6-8 middle school science program. I think you're going to get a nice insight into not only what we did, but how we did and how it can make your classroom really sing. Here you can see the covers of a few of the student readers, and there's one student reader for each of the 18 units that comprise the middle school science program. Core Knowledge has taken the Open SciEd science program and integrated into it our student readers, which is an indication of Core Knowledge's dedication to teaching science literacy. Before we define science literacy, let's look at the TE and see how the readings are integrated. If you open any teacher guide, such as this one, and you turn to the table of contents, you'll see that certain lessons are highlighted by a color bar. These lessons that are highlighted are those which are student reading lessons. And the teacher guide has a lot of information about how to use these lessons. So in the teacher guide, there's suggestions of how to do this within the time frame of the lesson. But it's a lot up to the teacher to figure out how to integrate these readings based on your own classroom structure. Each of these student readers are beautifully illustrated and beautifully written and really add to the excitement of science within your classroom. What is science literacy? Core Knowledge Foundation sees science literacy as composed of three basic and fundamental ideas. One, that students should know the mindset and the processes of science. Secondly, that scientific knowledge is part of citizenship within a community. And third, that scientific knowledge is part of a broader human endeavor that incorporates the arts, writing, poetry, and all of these things make up science literacy. There are a couple of pages that stress the knowledge of science and its processes. Here's a page on debate, which goes into science and citizenship. And here's a page on some poetry, which talks about science within the broader context of human endeavors. That's the student reader, and there's a lot to explore. It's some amazing stuff. I'm Dr. Dan Frank. On behalf of Core Knowledge Foundation, thank you for watching.